world's most powerful combat drones that redefine modern warfare. War is no longer fought only by soldiers on the battlefield. Today, wars are increasingly decided by machines in the sky, silent, deadly, and controlled from thousands of miles away. In this video, we'll explore the world's most powerful combat drones, unmanned aerial vehicles that can spy, strike, and eliminate targets with terrifying precision. Some of these drones can stay in the air for more than 30 hours, carry guided missiles, and change the outcome of wars without risking a single pilot. Stay till the end, because the last drone on this list is so advanced that it's often called a robot air force. Small Airplane 1, MQ-9 Reaper, USA. The MQ-9 Reaper is arguably the most feared combat drone in the world. Designed by General Atomics, the Reaper is not just a surveillance drone, it's a hunter killer. Small blue diamond key facts. Speed, 300 plus mph. Endurance, 27 plus hours. Weapons, Hellfire missiles, laser guided bombs. Range, 1,850 kilometers. The Reaper can track a target for hours and strike with surgical precision. It has been heavily used by the United States in counterterrorism operations across the Middle East and Africa. Collision: one drone, one operator, one decision. Total destruction. Small Airplane 2, Bayraktar TB2, Turkey. The Bayraktar TB2 shocked the world by proving that affordable drones can defeat advanced armies. This Turkish-made drone played a major role in conflicts in Ukraine, Syria, Libya, and Nagorno-Karabakh. Small blue diamond key facts. Endurance, 27 hours. Altitude, 27,000 feet. Weapons, smart micro-munitions. Cost, much cheaper than Western drones. What makes TB2 dangerous is not its size, but its tactical intelligence. It destroyed tanks, air defense systems, and supply convoys, changing how modern wars are fought. Pushpin small drone, massive impact. Small Airplane 3, Wing Long 2, China. China's answer to the MQ-9 Reaper is the Wing Long 2. This drone is exported to multiple countries and is designed for long-range strike missions. Small blue diamond key facts. Endurance, 32 hours. Payload, 480 kilograms. Weapons, air-to-ground missiles and bombs. Max altitude, 30,000 feet. Wing Long 2 gives China a strong presence in the global drone market and is actively used for border patrol and combat missions. Warning: it watches silently and strikes without warning. Small Airplane 4, Heron TP, Israel. Israel is a pioneer in drone warfare, and the Heron TP is one of the most advanced drones ever built. It can carry heavier payloads than many fighter jets, all without a pilot. Small blue diamond key facts. Endurance, 36 hours. Payload capacity, 1,000 kilograms. Role, surveillance, intelligence, and strike. Can fly at high altitudes for long durations. The Heron TP is known for its extreme reliability and precision, making it a key asset in Israeli defense strategy. Brain a drone that thinks before it strikes. Small Airplane 5, Shahed 129, Iran. The Shahed 129 is Iran's long-endurance combat drone designed for regional dominance. Small blue diamond key facts. Endurance, 24 hours. Range, 1,700 kilometers. Weapons, precision-guided missiles, used extensively in Middle Eastern conflicts. Despite limited technology access, Iran has turned drones into a strategic weapon, proving that innovation can overcome sanctions. Fire cheap, persistent, and deadly. Small Airplane 6, S-70 Okhotnik-B, Russia. The most advanced. The S-70 Okhotnik-B is not just a drone. It's a stealth combat aircraft without a pilot, designed to fly alongside Russia's Su-57 stealth fighter. This drone represents the future of air warfare. Small blue diamond key facts. Stealth design. AI-assisted combat capabilities. Heavy weapons payload. Designed for deep strike missions. This drone can penetrate enemy airspace undetected and attack high-value targets. Robot face a robot wingman. Built for war, combat drones have redefined modern warfare. They are cheaper than fighter jets, risk no pilot lives, and can strike with unmatched precision. As artificial intelligence improves, the question is no longer if drones will dominate wars, but how far their power will go. The battlefield of the future has no pilots. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up like the video. Speech balloon comment which drone impressed you the most. Bell subscribe for more mind-blowing military and amazing facts.